Hello everybody, this is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be talking about how to turn on Insignia TV without remote, or how do you use Insignia TV without the remote. So there are a couple of methods that you can do to use your TV. So every TV, basically pretty much every TV, have an inbuilt set of buttons, physical buttons on the TV itself. Now, I don't know why they make it. Maybe for this purpose that we are highlighting today. So we have an input button there. We usually have a mute button. We oftenly have volume buttons and channel positive and negative buttons. And finally, we have the power button that we are going to be using. So let's just assume that your TV has been connected to a cable connection, or maybe a Wi-Fi connection or a LAN connection. Then in order to use it without a remote, you can use these physical buttons to use instead. So you can click on this power button, which is going to be turning on your TV. To move your channels, you can use channel button, and even you can do the volume control. So if you want to go one step ahead, you can use a mobile app. So Insignia TV all have official app, I guess. So if you do not have an official app, you can use the IR blaster, which is basically a sensor on many phones. You can use that to control your TV as well. So I hope this helped, and if it is so, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video, using which you can now support to our channel as well and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next couple of tutorials.